Hey guys, Jivin here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve the coveted comma hairstyle. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to never miss a brand new video again. The tools you need to get this comma hairstyle is really just a blow dryer and your hands to shape your hair, and then make sure to shower beforehand as well. The haircut I have right now is called a 2-block haircut, and if you want to see how I cut my own hair, you can click the link down below. To ensure that you will get the perfect comma hairstyle, make sure that your bangs are a little bit long up to your eyebrows. If not, just wait out a few weeks and grow out your hair. The first step is to part your hair so the hair fringes are out of your forehead, and you can use the blow dryer to blow dry your hair. Blow drying your hair in high heat will ensure that your hair stays in place, and my suggestion for you is to do it right after you shower to get the best results. As you can see, I'm using my other hand to shape my hair a little bit, pushing it forward, upwards to make more texture and more gradient. I find that when you do this, your hair kinda gets a wavy texture and not just straight hair like most Asian have. It is also important to remember that you can use heat protectant, if not your hair will get fried and dry and it will just get all damaged. So everyone's head shape and hair texture is different. For me, I just prefer brushing my hair to the right side, but obviously you can do it on the left side if you prefer. After parting your hair, the next step is to create volume on both sides of the hair part. You can see me pressing down the left side of my hair parting just to make sure that it stays in place with the heat. Basically, you want to hold your hair in whichever direction you want to. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds so the heat cools down the hair. Doing this a few times will make sure that your hair stays in place all day long. Next, we will focus on the main star of the show, which is the front hair. There's a simple explanation to why this hairstyle is called the comma hair. The reason is because your hair fringe is shaped like a comma. With one hand, you want to shape your front hair, aka your hair fringe, to be a C shape or a comma. With your other hand, you want to use the blow dryer to blow dry it. In the same way that you use to blow dry your other parts of your hair, you want to hold the blow dryer in place for a few seconds to make sure it cools down the hair. Yeah, you just want to curl your hair inwards and make sure that it just stays in place like this. And right now I'm just shaping my other part. For my left side, I'm curling my hair inwards to the opposite direction of my right side. And again, I'm just blow drying it for a few seconds to make sure it stays in place. The comma hairstyle is a hairstyle that not only looks nice, but it's extremely easy and fast to do. In total, you'll probably spend a few minutes to do it. Hair products are also not necessary. However, you want to use wax or gel, you can do so just to strengthen the hold a little bit more. I'm just showing you my 360 view of the hairstyle. The back view, the right view. Yeah, this is a 2-block haircut, so it's just similar to the comma hairstyle. I think that the comma hairstyle will make your face look smaller and more angular. Not only this, it will put emphasis on the jawline. This hairstyle is also good for people with wavy hair, not just Asian hair. Now, why should you get the comma hairstyle? Well, the comma hairstyle is nice because it just gives off the vibe that you just woke up and didn't care about how you look, but you still look cool. It's also really just a good alternative if you think that the 2-block hairstyle looks a bit childish. Comma hairstyle is for people that want a more bad boy and grown-up look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial on the comma hairstyle. I'm just showing you some pictures of how it looks. As always, any hair related questions or even about the comma hairstyle, leave it down in the comments below and I'll reply them. This is Javin Fong signing off, and check back next time.